next lecture we'll know how to format dates and numbers. So here we're selecting some dates. So in some countries dates are written like month, day, year. In some countries day, month, year. In different countries different ways we read dates and times in some cases. So here if we want to format dates and times, so it's very easy in Excel. So just click here, select the dates, or before writing the dates you select there whatever you wish. I'm selecting these dates, and first I'm showing the shortcut way. Like first you go there, here you can choose from here date and number formats. So here we can see that the for long dates, short dates. So if we want to write in long dates, then we can click here on the long date, then all the dates here will be changed to the long dates automatically. So here again if we click on the short date, then all the things will be in shorter formats. So come here to the numbers. So numbers go from here to the right side of the wrap text, and then whatever format we want to see the number. So here we can see that the numbers, so we can just choose here and we can see that the after fraction there is 2 digits. So we can format dates and numbers from this step. So now I'm showing the other ways of changing dates and formatting dates and numbers. So from clicking the right button of the mouse, right click on your mouse, then you just select format cells. So after selecting format cells, we can see that there are many ways of writing dates and times. So if we select these formats like here, then we click OK, then you see that the entire dates have changed. So in many ways you can change and format dates and times. So from here we can also go from here from format options, then go to the format cells, and then you change by years, like special ways I have shown already. So numbers, you can change the way you want to see the numbers. You can format in different ways, whatever you like.